Welcome to the very first Blargleflakes video.
Oh my god, Tim. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Everyone look, it's really him.
Oh my god, he is so big. Oh my god.
Get him down!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
We love you.
Thank you, you're too kind. This channel will be dedicated to the mixing of two of my favorite elements, comedy and video games, primarily Smash Brothers, and the destruction of anime. With Cloud as our first victim, let's go!
Oh, what do you know? The first anime of the day. Just look at his big degenerate sword. That freakishly geometric hair. Oh, it just makes me sick to my stomach. Oh, what? These support beams are absolutely filthy. Ugh, disgusting. Mold everywhere. Cloud, are you a handyman? I'm gonna need you to take a look for me.
Alright, celebration dash dance and next clip.
Ooh, give me that back air. Ooh, that's how we do it. Now give me that grab. What?
Okay, no matter, no big deal. We got this. But we gotta get this next back air. No matter. Whew. Almost lost my composure. Now then.
Oh, hey, D3, can you hold up a second?
Yes.
Don't you think hating anime is a bit hypocritical? You know, being part of Kirby's show and all?
Why, yes, Cloud, you bring up some good. Go on to the face. Say hi to your waifu for me. We gotta go to the next clip. Behold, here we have the King of Dreamland versus the King of Nintendo. This is sure to be a battle for the ages. Oh. Not to worry, Mario. It was a silly mistake, but when we fall, we get back up and we try again. Lucky for him, we give homie stocks around here. This is an honorable channel. Oh, and we have a respectful crouch from both players. It's really coming down to the wire here, Jim. DeDeDe with the Gordo, DeDeDe with the suck, Mario with the down throw, and Mario with the combo finish for the win.
Damn, homie stock! No more homie stocks!
But sir, the honor.
To hell with the honor. Ugh, next clip? I'll be back for revenge, Mario. I said next clip!
Oh, now we have this froggy looking sucker. Hey, Greninja, did you forget to bring your frog rhythms? Don't look so down, though. You should be more optimistic.
Oh my god, are you freaking
Make
kidding
sure you're
me?
careful. You don't want to be Toadkill. Oh, that was funny. Oh, I cracked myself
Can
up.
you shut up with the frog puns and just fight?
Hey, Greninja, hold your tongue. Hey, Greninja, why are you looking at me like that?
Help! Help! Someone please! Oh, this crazy frog is trying to kill me. Oh, it's over. This is the end. I don't know if I can do this. Oh, sob. Sob.
Just kidding.
Just keep moving. And we're back, folks. DeDeDe is seeking revenge, and he's gonna stop at nothing to achieve it. But will he be able to pull it off? Mario with the fireball, up air, neutral air. Holy smokes, if that wasn't a whooping, I don't know what is, and I've seen a lot of whoopings, Chuck, believe me. Well, that was a rough start, Bob, but there's still time for a comeback. Hopefully, he can pull something off, because honestly, I'm starting to get sick of announcing for this scrubby-ass fool. Oh, never mind, there he goes, I'm out of here.
What? I already paid you! See, I just gotta kill. There's no 3 stock. Whatever, we don't need him.
That stupid announcer.
See? He was holding us back the whole time. Up here, dead. Oh, what? Okay, forward air. I say forward air. No 2 stock. And here we come to our last stocks. It's gonna be a close one. Mario, you think I have forgotten? You think I have forgotten the homie stock? D3 never forgets. Be gone to the blast zone.
Oh, well, isn't this a lovely picnic, Zelda? Oh, I see you brought the cherries, the dumplings, my favorite, the pizza, and the... Zelda, where's the tea?
Where's the tea? How many times did I tell you, Zelda? How many times did I tell you to bring the tea? At least 50, were you? Were you even listening? Oh, my words mean nothing to you. Jesus. Oh, come on now, Zelda. Come on. There's no reason to kill yourself over tea. That's a bit extreme, don't you think? But don't you worry, Zelda. Don't worry. We're gonna get some help for you. We're gonna get you some counseling. I'm gonna set up an appointment. You're gonna see a psychiatrist. Oh, that's kill percent. All right, everybody, let's do this. We're going for the 3 stock. 156. It don't even matter. I'm a heavy boy. All right, let's go for the ledge trap. We got that. Ah! Oh! All right, Zelda. I see how it is. You got heals for me? You got heals? All right. Well, I got bullshit hitboxes for you. Get out of here. Bring the tea next time.
Here we are, the final clip of the compilation, and it couldn't be more appropriate. K. Rool, my fellow obese king, how do you do? Welcome to Smash. I've been waiting to see you for years, and I gotta say, I got a lot of respect for you. You know what? Here, let me show you the ropes. Here's the left blast zone. And here's the right blast zone. You should attack that. But what's attack, you say? Well, it's a... Well, I'm sorry. Was that a projectile suck? No matter. No big deal. Well, alright, you know what? You're still a pretty cool guy. It's all good. You know, I forgive you. What the? Was that a body slam dash attack? Oh, okay. Wait, was that a body slam there? The hell are you trying to pull, K. Rool? You stealing my attacks? After all I've done for you. I gave you food. I gave you water. I gave you women. And this is how you repay me. Oh, these transgressions will not go unpunished. Don't you ever take my moves. K. Rool, remember this? And that's it for the video. If y'all enjoyed it, leave a like or a sub. There'll be more content coming. And if you didn't like it,
you shall suffer the same fate as all who oppose.
just kidding.
That's all, baby.